With the focus on privacy these days, it's really no surprise seeing that VPN solutions have become mainstream. While such programs might have occupied somewhat of a fringe spot back in the day, they happen to be quite common nowadays. The reasons for using a VPN are many, and Planet VPN seeks to satisfy its users by providing a usable free version, allowing them to bypass geo-blocking and browse privately through its servers from the UK, USA, Netherlands, Germany, and France. VPN software usually cuts straight to the chase when it comes to interface design, and this one is no different. A rather plain, to-the-point interface awaits you, notifying you of your IP and location right away. You can start by connecting to one of the 5 available locations in the free tier, and on you go. The connection is established within a few seconds, and the download and upload speeds can get you by just fine. Not to say that's a bad thing, you cannot expect paid VPN speeds in a free-to-use solution, so seeing quite modest values here is quite reassuring. On the US location, download speeds went up to 150 Mbps, with the upload values being just shy of 6 Mbps. You can stream videos without much fuss with those speeds. While a kill switch function on a VPN isn't anything particularly novel, it's nice seeing it make an appearance in the free version. If, whilst using the VPN, the connection suddenly drops, the kill switch feature will automatically disable your internet until the VPN comes back on. Normally, a machine would default to its original IP in the event of a VPN failure, which would compromise privacy and revert to geo-blocking. If you're out for a free VPN solution, then Planet VPN might be worth your while. It doesn't impose some overly harsh restrictions for the free tier like it is often the case with free VPNs, which is always a plus for those just getting started with such software. See you next video.